I see. More bites. Oh, oh, oh! I got it. How big?
Yeah.
That was,
it was like, it was at least 8 inches. At least 8 inches.
Oh,
dude, I saw the fish too.
Yeah.
That was crazy. Very crazy. Whoa. Why did she go? Oh no. I feel like it's stuck in there.
No. Just keep it. It's because of the weight, so just leave it, just like slowly. Don't pull too hard. Is it stuck?
no, I can feel it keep coming out, but
Yeah.
I think it's the weight.
It's the weight, yeah. So just be careful. Slowly roll it. Don't slow.
Should be right here. Oh my god, he's still so far out.
Okay. Don't worry. Just slowly.
It seems big. It feels big, but probably just for the weight. Oh. No, he's gonna get to your line maybe. He feels like a big line.
Oh, really big. I see.
Got out!
Again?
He's still on. Wait,
What happened? Oh, it got stuck. Roll it
I
in.
still have him. Okay. Well, I can do it.
You go back. You cannot roll and you go back.
I can do it.
Yeah.
No.
Nó còn start rồi nè.
You got him? It looks good.
Oh, it broke!
Oh my gosh.
That looked like an 18-incher.
More bites. Let it go down. Go, Maine. Do not.
Just watch it.
It's a Nightcrawler. Do not pick it up when it starts biting like little. Oh!
Taking it out.
I got it.
Wait, I'm just gonna
Yeah.
Are you sure you got it?
Get the net. Get the net, I guess. Okay.
You got it?
I remember it was hard to pull in. Now it's just kind of loose.
Oh. Nothing.
Guys, I just caught a pike minnow. Look at that pike minnow.
I
Papa got stuck on mine, but I still got it.
Let's go. Oh my, let's go.
No.
Oh, no, it's a sticker.
Small there. Yeah. Oh well. Hey, we got him. Got one.
What? Oh, he's still there.
I could have gone fish all day.
Oh, so cute. Small.
Okay.
Let me take a picture of you. No way.
It's so big, guys.
Okay. Got so small, you cannot feel, huh?